Hello friends, Ashanti here. Today we're going to be doing an activity called Do It Yourself Paint. Get ready, it's going to be fun. Hello everyone, so you're only going to need basic household items to make your paint. So I'm personally going to be using some Gatorade, lemon lime for green. I have white yogurt, pink Kool-Aid, and I'm going to be showing you some hot cocoa packets for color, and red strawberry jello. All these items were pretty much found in my cabinet, and you can use anything that you have in your house as well. I have water to mix in the yogurt to make a paint-like consistency that I will place in those 3 cups that I just showed you. I also have mixing spoons and paintbrushes. I'm going to start my setup by placing the 3 cups onto a paper towel just to make things a little bit more cleaner when doing this activity. Next, I'm going to take my white yogurt as a base and place it inside of the 3 containers. I'm going to be using a spoon, or if you have it, any mixing utensils. Going to be using at least 1 tablespoon. As you can see, I divided it into 3 equal parts, and I'm going to add water to dilute to make a more paint-like consistency. And you just smooth it out until it's nice and smooth. I added pink Kool-Aid, the entire packet, into 1 cup of paint, and I got a nice pink color. I used about half. Now I'm going to take the yellow and mix about 2 tablespoons all together until I get the color that I like. It doesn't matter how many scoops. It all depends on the color and consistency you want. As you can see, I've mixed these 2 colors and have a more neon-like paint. Don't forget, these are all edible. With what I'm using, they may be a little sour, but perfectly safe to eat. So now I'm going to work on the last cup using this red strawberry jello. I added maybe 2 to 3 tablespoons to get a very rich, hot pink. So now I have all 3 of my colors mixed together, pink, yellow, and a more reddish magenta pink. And next I'm going to be demoing what I can make with the paint. So I'm going to take my brush, dip it in my yellow that I made, and just testing it out, seeing how my do-it-yourself paint came out. As you can see, the yellow is a little bit more watery and the color does not transfer well. I would probably fix this by adding less water and more color to the yogurt. I'm also using regular computer paper, which also may have an effect on how the color transfers over. You can experiment or try with different papers, such as watercolor, different color printer paper. All depends on what you have at home. As you can see, I'm just testing out the different colors, making a nice flower for you all to see how well it actually does work. And you can definitely add or take away as much as you want to get the color that you want. I would definitely try to add my fingers because it does work as a finger paint as well. Don't be afraid to taste it. It will taste like whatever you mixed it in. Don't forget, it's perfectly safe and edible. I'm just making some nice happy faces to smile back at you guys. As you can see, works relatively well, and you can make it your own by adding almost any color. I didn't have any food coloring on hand, so I just used what I had. And finishing up that happy face. So there you go, you guys. I'm just going to be adding some shapes just so you guys can see that it does work. Going to work in that yellow a little bit more. So there you go, you guys. Do it yourself paint. Thanks.